Hello everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome back to another RAMShard server tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to easily change the built-in spawn protection on your Minecraft server. Now to do this, go ahead and go to the control panel. Then you want to go ahead and click on the files drop down tab. Then find the config files option. Once on the config files page, find the server settings option. Now in the server settings, you should see an option named protected spawn size. To make this number higher, just go into the text box and type in a higher number. This number can be whatever you would like it to be. If you want it to be a lower number, you can change it to any lower number than the current number it is at. But if you just want to completely disable it, you can set it to 0. Now after you set the number you would like, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and then click save. Once the page is saved, you can go back to the main page of the control panel and then click restart. And once the server restarts, these changes will be taken effect. And that is how you easily change the built-in spawn protection on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.